How to log out of eFootball. So you can pretty much log out by going to your settings, searching for apps, manage apps, go ahead to your eFootball and clear all data. Clearing all data means that it's pretty much going to sign you out itself and pretty much reset you to the very first start of the game. But if you do have your account binded, you can pretty much just log in back to that account. The next option is to just uninstall the game and reinstall it, and a new process of the game should start over where you're able to go back to the login session. Now, another way to technically log out is a sort of deletion of your ID. So just go ahead to the top right corner of the extras. Here you'll be able to see the support option. Press on support and you'll be led here where you can press on services and info. In services and info, just go ahead and press on this. Obviously, it's going to delete your user ID, but it's going to log you out. So this is your last option to do this. So go ahead and try the other first two first. And if it did, and if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.